Real-world Apache Kafka monitoring and troubleshooting tips. Broker metrics. Keep an eye on CPU usage, memory utilization, disk I/O, and network bandwidth across brokers. High CPU or memory usage can lead to performance degradation. Consumer lag. Consumer lag measures the difference between the latest record in a partition and the last record consumed. High consumer lag indicates that consumers are not processing messages fast enough. Disk usage. Kafka stores data on disk, and it's crucial to monitor disk usage, especially for logs. Running out of disk space can lead to data loss or even cluster failure. Tools for monitoring. Prometheus and Grafana. Use Prometheus for scraping metrics and Grafana for visualizing Kafka's health. Together, they make a powerful monitoring solution. High consumer lag alert. Set alerts if consumer lag exceeds a defined threshold. This can help detect issues with consumer performance or identify bottlenecks. Low ISR. In sync replicas. Alert. Alert if the ISR count falls below a certain level. A low ISR count often means replication issues, potentially leading to data loss. Log aggregation and analysis. Centralized Kafka logs. Use a centralized logging solution like the ELK stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, or Splunk to aggregate Kafka logs. This makes it easier to search and analyze logs when troubleshooting issues. Track error logs. Pay close attention to logs for errors such as not leader for partition exception and corrupt record exception, which often indicate partition or data corruption issues. Enable audit logging. If you handle sensitive data, enable audit logs to track who accesses what data, aiding both security and compliance. In conclusion, monitoring and troubleshooting Apache Kafka can be complex, but these tips will help you keep your Kafka clusters reliable and responsive.